Hi, this is Maxima Khan with BrilliantPlayground.com. I'm making this video to invite you, if you're anywhere near Nevada City, to join me on Sunday, June 3rd for a really fun writing workshop. It's called Romancing the Muse. It's a workshop for creative writers of all kinds, all genres, all levels of experience. It's wonderful for writing poetry, memoir, fiction, for just getting your writing flowing. It's a day of focusing on how we get inspired and stay inspired as writers, and how we access our most alive, vital, compelling voice. How we access what we really want to say. I'm going to share tools and really fun exercises both for igniting your inspiration and for staying inspired over time, for getting in touch with what's most alive in your writing. We'll be writing together, sharing our writing, getting feedback. It's an enlivening, active, fun, engaging day that will leave you inspired to write and with new tools to bring to your writing. So join me Sunday, June 3rd. It's from 1 to 5:30 at the Inner Path in Nevada City. Register now because spaces are limited. And to register, go to brilliantplayground.com/romancing. The workshop's called Romancing the Muse. brilliantplayground.com/romancing. Hope to see you there.